this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off SafeSearch on the Google search bar on your phone. So this is easy. Just go to the G, so tap the G. Just open this up. Go to your profile on the top right. Tap this. Scroll on down to where it says SafeSearch. Tap this. Then you can see these different options: filter, blur, or off. You can just turn it off right here. SafeSearch is now turned off. Now it's not going to filter out your searches, so you can type whatever in here. Now if you go back up to your profile, you can see there's an option for search history. You can delete the last 30 minutes. So if we tap this, if we want to delete our history, we can very easily under here. Just look for the option. You got delete on the top here. We got delete all time, delete custom range, or delete today. So if you want to delete it after doing whatever kind of search, you have that option right there. Then also, if you are using Google Chrome, you might want to be aware of the private browsing or incognito mode. So go to the top right, go to this. Now when you turn on incognito mode, it's not going to save the search history in your browser. And it's not going to have any kind of site data or cookies. So you might want to look at this as an option too if you want to do some sort of private browsing. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.